Okay, so after 24 hours, na-receive ko na guys yung aking withdraw, yung galing sa Coins.Ph. Hey, what's up guys? This is Babysnow and today is November 10. It's early morning here in Canada. So today's video is about Coins.Ph, how you transfer your balance like yung BTC sitting in your Coins.Ph account, and if in case you need money for emergency purposes, like kung gusto mong i-transfer some amount directly to your bank account, you can have it in just one click. So ganito lang yung ginagawa ko kung paano mag-transfer ng money. Pwede mo din gamitin to through remittances. So very useful itong Coins.Ph. Yan, nakatied up po ito sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So this is very legit. And I have BTC here sitting in my Coins.Ph. So anytime pwede ako mag-convert ng money. Like for example, I need 20,000 pesos today. So, pwede ko pong gawin yon. Iko-convert ko lang yung amount, certain amount of BTC into peso, and then I will transfer it directly to any bank account, or pwede din sa any remittance center like M. Luwilier in Philippines, yan, Cebuana. So, ganun yung gagawin natin ngayon guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yung actual na pag-transfer. So, ang maganda dito kasi kay Coins.Ph, kailangan mo lang siya ng mga valid IDs para ma-verify ka. And then, pwede ka nang mag-cash in and cash out. Pwede ka mag-buy ng load. Pwede ka din mag-game credits or mga bills payment. And the most importantly, yung remittance. For example, like me, I'm here in Canada and I can send money directly to my relatives nang hindi ako gagastos ng malaking fees. Okay, so ang ganda nung Coins.Ph. So ang gagawin ko ngayon is I will convert some amount of money kasi kailangan ko ng at least 15,000 pesos. So what I'm going to do now is to transfer some amount or that 15,000 pesos dun sa bank account ng husband ko. So gagawin natin yan live. Okay, now I will convert 15,000 pesos. Ayan. I-type mo na lang kung magkanong amount like this, 15,000. So that's 0.03 in BTC. So ngayon medyo mababa yung per Bitcoin, yung amount ng Bitcoin, but I don't care kasi kailangan ko ng 15,000 amount in peso. So super dali lang yan. Ang gagawin lang natin is to convert. So I have now 15,000. So slide to convert. Okay, confirm. And then that's it. So, yan, na-receive ko na po. Mayroong nag-pop up na notification dyan at nakapag-convert na ako. So, we'll see sa PHP wallet natin ngayon kung meron na siyang 15,000. So, that's it. I have now 15,000 pesos. So, what I'm going to do now is to transfer this peso amount direct to the bank account. So, ang gagawin lang natin is to click cash out. Ayan. And then select payout method. I will choose, sabi ko nga guys, meron tayong mga remittance centers like LBC, Palawan, M. Luwilier, and this bank accounts. So, I will choose bank. And makikita mo dito guys, super daming mga tie-up banks. Yan, Asia United Bank, BDO, any bank account. These bank accounts has different system. So, in some cases, merong like yung BDO, meron siyang fee. I think 200 pesos per transfer. So, in my case, I will transfer PS Bank and I will cash out 14,900 to be exact. Okay? Kasi meron tayong, I think, kasi gagamitin natin yung InstaPay, meron tayong fee na 10 pesos. So, okay, so yung may natitirang 100 kasi 15,000 yung kinonvert natin, right? So yung 100 pesos doon, gamitin ko na lang siya pang load kasi meron akong roaming number dito. So meron 10 pesos na for the fee and I still have 90 pesos. That's fine. So yung 14,900 yung matatransfer. sa ating bank. So kung gusto mong free na transfer, sabi ko nga sa inyo, free lang pagka PS Bank or any other bank accounts, it depends. Kapag PesoNet, so ibig sabihin nito, it will take 1 day, at least 24 hours, depending on day. Kapag weekend, so syempre walang bank. So, by Monday makukuha. So ngayon, it's Sunday here, and I will use InstaPay. Sabi ko nga, meron lang tayong 10 peso na fee, and within 10 minutes, ma-receive na natin siya. Okay? Okay guys, since it's Sunday maybe, so wala pang bank, I decided to try yung free na lang kasi wala pong ano dito yung history check natin guys. Actually, na-refund agad yung mga cash out ko. Ayan. Ayan, nakikita mo guys yung nakalagay ng refunded. So, I tried twice sending different amounts, but it says it is refunded, maybe because it's still Sunday in Philippines, so walang bank. I'm not so sure about that, but I still really need money, so I think I have to cash out via bank pa din, pero itatry natin yung free, and it will take 24 hours I think. So we'll see. Yan, balik tayo dito. PS Bank. Yan. So this time, ilalagay natin yung exact amount, which is 15,000, kasi gagamitin natin yung free transfer. So kung makikita mo yan, yung wallet balance ko is 15,000, 6 pesos only. So ita-transfer ko yung 15,000 and yan. Via PS Bank. So, click next. So, ito, I think, it will take up to 24 hours. Sabi ko nga, depending on the day. Kung ito yung weekend, like today is Sunday in Philippines, and it's Sunday morning here in Canada. Okay. Yan. Optional number. Let's see. Okay, we'll see again. Ayan. Nag-pop up. You just sent 15,000. And we'll see. Alright. So, wala akong refund na na-receive. So, maybe that's exactly the reason why nare-refund yung recent yung transactions ko, yung dalawa. So, we'll see dito sa dito sa history, automatic kasi nagre-refund siya yung via InstaPay. So, maybe it's offline. Kaya hindi siya pumasok. Makikita mo naman yung dalawang transaction, 8:11 a.m., 8:17 a.m. And yung 8:22 a.m., which is 15,000. Okay, so processing na siya. And we will see estimated time is November 11, 2019. Okay? So I have now the order number. So it means nag-go through siya and hindi siya nag-refund. Kasi dito sa Coins.Ph, once na hindi successful yung transaction, makikita mo agad sa history. Very fair and very transparent. So, yan, 8:22 a.m. And since ginamit natin yung free na transfer, we'll wait up to 24 hours or 48 hours kasi sabi ko nga, it's weekend and it depends upon the bank. So, kung Monday pa mag-resume yung banks, so it will take another 24 hours since ito yung sistema kapag free transfer yung ginamit. Okay, so after 24 hours, na-receive ko na guys yung aking withdraw. So today is November 11, 2019 and it's 10:31 a.m. here in Canada. So 'Di ba guys, very convenient kasi wala kang fees na binayaran. Dito kasi sa Canada, guys, if you want to send money to your relatives, syempre bukod sa mababa yung palitan, okay, meron pa tayong fees na binabayaran. And yung abala, 'di ba? Pupunta pa tayo dun sa branch. Like, alam ko yan kasi nag-work po ako sa remittance center. We have different types of remittance center, and all of them are of course meron tayong binabayaran na fees. So that's it guys, this is how convenient. If you use Coins.Ph, you can also use this here in Canada and in different countries. And of course, we also have a lot of ways to earn money online, like in Bitcoin. Ayan, sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, I have 129,000 still here in Bitcoin. So, nakita nyo kung paano ko siya kinonvert, and then naging peso, and then isinend ko na po as remittance. Ganun lang kasimple. So, dito sa channel ko guys, I have different tutorials on how to earn money through Bitcoins. Okay? So, yan. Makikita mo guys, mag-browse ka lang dito sa channel. Subscribe na nga pala kayo guys. Ayan. Recently, I have different contents dito sa channel. Yan. Minsan meron tayong raffle na ginagawa. Pero kung gusto nyo gusto nyo matuto about Bitcoin, you can browse down, you can search. I have a lot of contents here na you can learn on how to earn Bitcoins, and I will update you guys from time to time. I will upload more videos on how to earn via online. Ayan, start kayo sa Coins.Ph. So, hindi lang ito para sa mga gusto ng Bitcoin. You can also cash in dyan sa Coins.Ph nyo. All you need is your valid ID and proof of address. Like, kung meron kang police clearance, and then your ID, your postal ID or SSID, UMID, passport, all of those are valid IDs. Syempre, kailangan mo yan for verification. Sabi ko nga, very legit yung Coins.Ph. And there's a great news guys. When you sign up, using my link, I will leave my link here. When you sign up sa Coins.Ph, makaka-receive po kayo ng free 50 pesos. So, for successful verification. So, it means nag-upgrade kayo, nag-verify kayo ng account, meron kayong 50 pesos na marireceive as free, and you can start there. Okay, sometimes nagpapa-raffle. So, bumubuno tayo ng then isasend natin sa Coins.Ph. Go with the trend. Okay, Bitcoin. I am teaching about cryptocurrency based on my experience. So, I've been doing this since 2017. And, bakante lang tayo since naging busy. But then again, I will start to upload more again and share my knowledge about Bitcoins and how you earn money online. So, please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell. And this is Babysnow. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye.